SGMT stock analysis for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. It is the only persona in this space with 41,000 videos. And I've done this over 5 years, all documented, by the way, track recorded. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially now with Sagimet Biosciences. Well, I mean, just from a first glance, I do genuinely believe that this could be the shift that I was waiting for so far along. We just kind of wicked it out. There was no sort of full daily candle close above it, so this can be like a big fake out as well. But intermediary chart, nothing's stopping me from potentially doubling down as long as the confirmation is met here. So I don't even care about that long of a time frame here. As long as the rules are met, there's nothing stopping me from longing even more here, buying more. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. This is not financial advice. I'm not sure if I have SGMT here. Not really, but if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.